how to enable Crossfade on Apple Music. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable Crossfade on Apple Music. First, open the Apple Music in your iPhone. As you can see, there is no such option available here. So, go to the settings. Here, go to the software update. Wait for it to check for any new updates. In order to enable Crossfade in your iPhone, your IPS requires the iOS 17 version, which is unfortunately not available on my device. Now scroll down and go to the music. Here you'll find the option to enable Crossfade. You'll just need to turn the toggle on for it. The Crossfade will be enabled on Apple Music. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.